In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the divider component in Elements. So let's go to our Components tab and we're going to scroll to the bottom to the Utility section, and in there we'll find the divider, and I'm just going to drop it into my sample site that I have here. Now the divider is running full width between these two items, and let's go to the node browser just so we can see where that's placed. And the divider is used just for creating a line or some space between items. And at the moment, if we go to the sizing setting, we can see it's set to 0.5. But let's increase this so we can see the item. So there you can see it's currently colored orange. And if we go to the background color, we can change that up. So maybe we want an accent color, or let's turn it to a gray here. Because I want to create a divider between my text, so we can change the color. We've got that looking good. And let's go back to sizing, and we can set the width of this to a theme value. So 32, you can see that's made it a lot smaller there. Now I want this centered. So to do this, we need to go to spacing and turn on margin and padding. And then in CSS, the trick here is to set the margin on the left and right to auto, and that will center the item. And let's go back to sizing. And on the width here, we can pick any theme value we want for the size of this, or we can click the mask icon and put any value we want in here. So I could put 300 pixels, or let's make this about 200 pixels. And on the height, I want to switch it just back to 1 pixel. So now we've got this nice clean divider that's centered and is sitting between these two items. So that's all there is to the divider. It's a really simple component, really easy to use, and it's just nice for adding those little extra touches to your web design. So that's it for the divider tutorial, and if you want to know more about the divider, check out the manual and the other training videos we have available. Thanks for watching this, and I will see you in the next one.